Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 3. Yes, day number 3, week 5. Day number 3, week 5, spring 2025 about journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight that each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Um, let's begin. So for today, I think we're already pretty much done with we're done with wages and salary. So we're done with that. So what I want to do, I want to do like a mixed review of all of the 4 topics that we have done so far. I want us to go over ratios. I want us to go over simple interest, and I want us to go over hire purchase, and I want us to go over salary and wages, right? So 4 topics we have done so far for this semester. We've moved pretty quickly. We only in like the second week in February or something like that, and we've covered so many topics, so that's good. But I just want us to bring it all together before we move on to something else, because the next thing you have to do is receipt and total bill. So before we move on to that, I want us to do a general review on, like I said, ratios, simple interest, hire purchase, and salary and wages. All right. And by the way, you're not getting a quiz today for math. You're not.
So that mean we are.
Nice.
I don't believe it.
I don't think I can believe
Yeah,
that.
sliding 101.
Y'all don't believe me. Wow, y'all into a surprise today. I don't have a quiz for this.
A surprise.
Yeah, it says a lot of.
Is the surprise going to be a quiz?
I genuinely don't have a quiz for this. I don't have a quiz for this. Not for a mixed review.
Somehow quizzes before.
I serious. I think I have no quiz for maths today. Logan, you believe me?
Really?
That's Logan.
Sir.
You believe me, Logan?
No, sir.
Wow. I know who believe me. Adasa, do you believe me? That's Adasa.
No.
What? Adasa, what? Come on. Okay, I know who believes me. Joel, you believe me. You believe me, right? There's Joel.
Yes.
Very good. There we go. So I have one person on my side. Anyone else? Anyone else on my side? I don't have a quiz for this. Hi, Jen. I don't have a quiz for this. Ronell, you believe me, right? Ronell, you believe
No, sir. And
me.
Imagine happens for a 4th time.
Oh, wow. I do not. I telling y'all, I don't have a quiz for this. I do not have a quiz for this.
There's a quiz in chat right now.
It does. It's a quiz in the chat. Class, I don't have a quiz for this, man.
Is there going to be one that pops up?
There's not going to be one that pops up. I don't have a quiz for this. Y'all just think I just be home just making quizzes? Like, I actually have a life. I have a life, man. All right. Okay, so we're gonna be doing, like I said, mixed review. And yeah, this is gonna be really good. I want to see how much y'all remember from everything that we've been doing so far. So I am going to divide my screen into like 4 parts, like 4 sections. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So the first one is going to be ratio. I don't know if y'all remember ratios, but remember ratios compares what? To what? Ratio compares what? What does ratio compare? To what?
Numbers.
Numbers.
Not numbers. Is it? Well,
Object.
Objects.
it's a Q word. It's a Q word.
Quantities.
Quantities. Very good. So ratio compares to quantities, right? Whenever we're doing a ratio question, we have to find one equal part, right? Once we find one equal part, then we could be able to, by the way, I'm just dividing my screen into 4 parts so we could be able to like do it. So move it over to this. So the first one is going to be obviously ratios. So we're gonna do a ratio question. This is like one of my favorite topics to do. I like to do like all 4 of them together. And these four, they like to bring these questions. So we have ratio. The next one we had was what? We had simple interest. So we should also include that as well. Let me bring this down a bit. So we have simple interest. Ratio simple interest.
Mr. Petit,
Yep.
we have to draw that.
You don't have to do like a box like me. You just could like write down the question separately, but I want to keep it all on the same screen, you know? So that's why I do it like that. Okay, so
2026.
it's 2026. What I have? 2025?
We're going back in time.
I even have January. Oh my goodness. Why have Monday? Oh,
Jeez Louise.
okay, good. I was on the wrong date, wrong slide. Okay, 2026. All right, so scared me just now. I was like, where are we? All right, so go ahead, Daphne. Read this first question that we have. Hopefully y'all could see it because I know it's small, right? Ron and David.
Ron, David, and Sharice shared $3,600 in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4, respectively. Read the
Yeah, read the
A,
option.
B, and C too.
Yeah.
A, calculate the amount of money that Sharice received. B, calculate Ron's share. And C, calculate David's share.
Good. Y'all think y'all could do this? Y'all remember how to do this?
I can do that.
You could do it?
I think I could.
You think you could? All right, so try it. Let me put the let me turn on the chat. And some people still can't speak. So
I know you was in the same quiz.
you're not getting a quiz. I keep on telling that you're not getting a quiz.
You
Really
said
now?
that every other day this week.
I think
Yeah.
trust you.
You could
You're
trust
just
me.
itching. Please,
Yeah.
let's stop lying, please. Can we stop capping?
You're not having a quiz today. Adasa, read the question for people, please.
Number 1, Ron, David, and Sharice shared 3,600 in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4, respectively. A, calculate the amount of money that Sharice received. B, calculate Ron's share. And C, calculate David's share.
Very good. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to figure out like what is one equal part. So let's go ahead and do that. So let me zoom in. So we need to figure out what is one. Let me put this in white. So you have to figure out what is one equal part. Does yellow make sense? Yellow is nice. So let me put the questions in yellow. Yeah, because black is too like, doesn't fit well. Boom. Okay, so one equal part. So let's go ahead and do that. So one equal part is going to be what? How are we going to get one equal part? What we have to do?
Add 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Very good. We have to add 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what are we going to do with that? When we add those 3 terms, what we have to do with it?
Then you gotta divide it by 3,600.
Very good. So we're going to take 3,600. The only quiz y'all would have today would be the code. Y'all know the code today, right? Is today Wednesday?
Yeah.
Today is Wednesday. So that
It's
means
Wednesday.
that means that someone is going to be dethroned or they're gonna stay. Who knows?
Dethroned.
Who knows? 2 plus 3 plus 4. All right, so that's one equal part.
Mr. Petit.
9.
So what? Yeah, go ahead.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Legacy was in the same room. She said she hopes the girls win.
Oh, she hopes the girls win. The boys have never won, so I don't know. No boy has ever become class president.
Almost won.
Yeah, we almost. The closest we had was Logan. Yeah, the closest we had was Logan.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we never won.
I want Kanan to be the class president.
Say it again.
Arsenal.
Oh, thank you so
I want
much.
Kanan to be the class president.
I-
I just
You
feel
want-
like he'd be a good
I
leader.
hate 10
Oh, you
girlfriend.
think so?
I feel so special now.
That is kind.
Don't push it.
That is kind. But the class president has to be
I
earned.
root for you to be up there.
It has to be earned.
too.
So whoever win it, whoever earn it, that's who get it. It's not bestowed, it's earned. So yeah. All right. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 5.
Arsenal must be they just reach. What we doing?
We just doing the ratio problem. So we have to figure out what is one equal part, right? So we have 3,600. We divide that with 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 and 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is going to be 3,600 divided by 9, right? Again, 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So we have 3,600 divided by 9. Okay? We have one equal part. It's going to be equal to 3,600 divided by 9. What is 3,600 divided by 9? We divide that, what we get? What y'all get when y'all divide it?
400.
400.
So let's go ahead and divide it. So we have 9 into
400.
400. Let me do it this way. So we have, let me just do it like this because it feels better like this. So we have 9 into, okay, let me fix my handwriting. So I was like, Mr. Petit, your handwriting is terrible. So 9 into 3,600. It's easy, right? Because we already know that 9 times 4 is 36, right? So that's helpful. So 9 times 4 is 36. It's going to be 36 right now. 36 minus 36. That's going to be 0 and 0. We bring down the 0. 9 times what numbers gives us 0? It's going to be 0. 9 times 0 is 0. And so we have 0 minus 0, which is 0. We bring down the 0. 9 times, how many times is 9 going to 0? That's going to be what?
0.
0. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, right? So that means that one equal part is what?
400.
400, very good. 400. Logan already put his answer inside the chat. If you all want to put your answer inside the chat, y'all could as well. So it's gonna be 400. This is one equal part, but this is not Sharice's share, right? What is Sharice's share? So Sharice's share is gonna be equal to what? If we look at this, right? What equal part is related to Sharice? So if we look at Sharice, what equal part is related to Sharice? Sharice is how many equal parts? Sharice is
4 parts.
four equal parts, right? So that means that we have to take 4 and multiply it by what?
400.
By
400.
by 400, right? That's what you have to do. Because Sharice is 4 equal parts, Ron is 2 equal parts, David is 3 equal parts. Again, it's like respectively. Respectively, what does respectively mean? Y'all remember what respectively mean? Respectively, what does that mean? When we say respectively, that means what?
In that order it was given.
In the order it was given. So Ron is 2, David is 3, and Sharice is 4. Okay. So that means that we're gonna have one equal part is gonna be 400, but Sharice share, she's gonna get 4 times 400. And so let's go ahead and multiply that. So we're gonna do 4 times
I could
400.
say the answer.
Yeah, go right ahead.
1,600.
1,600. Did anyone else get that? 1,600, he said.
Okay.
Y'all got that?
I got it.
We got that. Very good, guys. So 4 times 400. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is
16.
16. Very good, 16.
Oh, yeah.
So it's gonna be 1,600. All right. Good. So let's go ahead and like write it down. So we have that this is gonna be 4 multiplied by where's my multiplication symbol? 4 multiplied by 400, which is equal to 1,600. So that's Sharice's share. Sharice got 1,600. All right. That's what Sharice get. And so let me clear this drawing. Now I want to figure out what Ron is gonna get. So Sharice got 4 equal parts, which is 4 times 400. How are we gonna calculate Ron's share? We're gonna calculate what Ron is gonna get. We're gonna do well. What do we have to do for
That would
Ron?
be 2 times 400.
Yeah, that's right. Why you use 2?
Because 2 is his share.
Very good, because Ron, let's go ahead and like make a note of that. Ron is 2 equal parts, right? So you're gonna say what? 2 times 400, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So that's gonna be 2 times 400. So we have so Ron's share is gonna be equal to 2 multiplied by 400. And what is 2 multiplied by 400?
800.
800.
800. Very good. That should be straightforward, right? 800. Genesis, I said I'm not having any quiz today. You on my side, right? You believe me, right?
No.
Genesis, come
Yeah.
on. Genesis. Genesis, I
I'll
promise.
be a fool.
I promise.
Like you said, all your students are very smart. That's why none of us believe you.
Wow. I promise, Genesis. I promise. Joel says he believes me, so that's all I care about. Joel says he believes me.
Oh, Joel.
Joel, you smarter
Joel
than that. You smarter than that.
Oh, he's gullible.
Never believe it. Yeah.
It's Joel says, I believe. Joel is a part of the We Believe team. Anyone else? We believe.
I
Crickets,
believe in the
crickets.
truth.
The other persons are Joel, and Joel.
Joel, and Joel.
And maybe the
Joel,
other.
Joel and friends.
That's a courtesy he's extending to you, because really and truly,
Joel and friends. Courtesy, that's a nice word. Sounds sophisticated. All right. Okay, I sure there's other persons in there who believe. Who else?
Totally.
Yes.
Oh,
I see it. But for now, it's just
God
Joel.
have mercy on Mr. Cecil.
Serenity, you believe? Serenity, you believe? Let's see.
No, because last time I was inside the class, you said, if you say we don't have quiz, we have quiz.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna be on
Think
your
it's
side
unbelievable.
this
Nope.
time.
Amari.
No matter where or not, he said
you have a quiz.
if we have it or if we don't have it, for math, we can have at least one. Now for the next subject, it's the chance maybe.
Believe.
Wow. I have 2 people who believe, Amari and Joel. Very good. The We
I'm
Believe
on your
team.
side
No,
today.
Mr. Petit,
There we
after that
go.
time you tell us you promise, I believed in you, but then you broke your promise, Mr. Petit. After that, no.
All right, let's
Yeah,
multiply.
because you have a whole vault of quizzes in your inventory, and like I don't know how to spell quiz in this class anymore.
Inventory.
All right. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. All right. Okay, so that's how we get Ron's share. 2 times 400, which is gonna be 800. Okay, now we gotta do David's share. Can someone help me with David's share? What is David's share?
3 times 400.
3 times 400. Yeah. Why are we using 3? David is how many equal
Because
parts?
that's David's share.
Yeah, David is 3 equal parts. So that means that we're gonna see what? We're gonna say David's share.
Can I say the answer?
Yeah, go ahead. What you got?
1,200.
1,200. Anyone else got that?
I got that.
You got that?
I got
Good. So
I
David's
put it
share.
in the wrong order.
That's no problem. Once you got the numbers. David's share is 3 times 400. Y'all got 1,200?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
let's check that. So it's gonna be, oh gosh, the reactions has begun.
Oh, gee.
Let me help them out. Let me help them out. They just need a little bit help. All right, so good. So we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply what? 3 times 400. All right. And so we say 400 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. So it's gonna be 1,200. And so that is how we get David's share. All right, does that make sense to y'all?
Yes,
I
sir.
mean,
Yes, sir.
very good. Is anyone who do not understand the ratio part? Because we can be done with ratios. That anyone who do not understand how we got our answers for the ratio. Okay. Anyone who do not understand. Okay, so Sharonik, where's Sharonik? Sharonik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read number 1 and explain step by step how we get our answers for anyone who may not understand?
Okay, number 1 says Ron, David, and Cherie shared 3,600 in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4 respectively. A, calculate the amount of money that Cherie received. So to find that, first we have to find one equal part. To find one equal part, you would divide the amount of money that all of them shared, and then you would divide it by each of their ratios, which is 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then when you divide 2 plus 3 plus 4, it gives you 9. And when you divide 3,600 by 9, you get 400. But that's not complete because we find in Cherie's. That's just one equal part. So to find Cherie's share, we times 400 by her ratio, which is 4. And we would get 1,600.
Very good. All right, do part B.
Part B, calculate Ron's share. To find Ron's share, we already know what one equal part is, which is 400. So we just times his ratio, which is 2, which gives us $800. And then C, calculate David's share. We do the same. We already know what one equal part is, which is 400. So we times his ratio by 400, which is 3, which will give you 1,200.
That's a good explanation, eh?
Thank
Wow,
you.
it's a very good explanation. Very good. I think they understand it better when you explain it. That's what I believe in. Every time you all explain stuff, like I think the class understand it better than when I do it. So very good job, guys. Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna do simple interest. So simple interest is and then I'm gonna ask you which topic y'all like the most, which topic y'all like the least. All right. So let's do simple interest now. Y'all probably can't even remember simple interest formula. Let's see. Do we remember simple interest formula? All right, so
What? It's not that bad.
Yes, we do.
you do? Okay, good. What's simple interest formula? Oh boy.
P
Oh.
times
P
R times
R
T
times
over
T over
100.
100.
Oh man. Y'all look in y'all book. I don't trust that. Y'all look in y'all book. Are y'all looking in y'all book?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Man, I ain't even using the right book.
I didn't even use the right book. All right. Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the simple interest problem. Amari, the We Believe team. Can you read this for me, please? Number 2.
So, number 2, Rashad borrowed $5,000 from the bank for 2 years at 9% simple interest per annum. Calculate A. How much interest Rashad is charged? B.
Basically, I know how to do this one.
The
I think
total amount.
Joel, 1 second. Joel, how you gonna interrupt it like that? How? Come on, man, that's foul.
Sorry, I
You
apologize.
literally interrupted the middle of Carly.
I thought he just was reading the first part.
Yes, you reading the whole thing, Joel? Come on.
Sorry.
Yeah, all right, no problem. Sorry, Amari.
That's okay. The
All right.
the total amount he must repay to the bank.
Very good. Very good. In spite the interruption. Joel, the We Believe team, man, we can't be doing that.
Yeah, so I extremely apologize.
We
Yeah.
Believe team is crazy, man.
Genesis, come on. Okay, you read number 2 since you hating on our We Believe team. Read number 2 first.
All right.
Yeah, we need to
Rashad
leave.
borrowed.
Go ahead,
Oh, I thought he
Genesis.
was- Rashad borrowed 5,000 from the bank for 2 years at 9% simple interest per annum. Calculate how much interest Rashad is charged. A and B, the total amount he must repay the bank.
Very good. Do y'all know how to do this? The simple interest charge and the total amount.
I think I remember.
Think you remember? Okay, so let's do it step by step, right? So first we have to identify what is P, what is R, and what is T. So what is P in this question?
5,000.
P is 5,000, which is the
Principal.
Hold on. Oh gosh. It's the principal. And the principal is the amount what?
Money
The amount of money borrowed or invested.
borrowed, right?
Right. So P is going to be 5,000. All right. P is 5,000. Good. So P is 5,000. R is
9%.
very good. The rate that's gonna be 9. So R is 9. Okay. And time is obviously time is in years. So time is gonna be what?
2 years.
Time is gonna be 2 years. Very good. So it's gonna be
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Lexi. Always good to have you. So P is 5,000, R is 9, and T is 2. Okay. So we need to do simple interest. So simple interest. I have to write so small because I have only a little bit space. So simple interest is going to be equal to obviously P times R times T all over 100. So simple interest is equal to P times R times T over 100. In this case, what is P? P is what? P is 5,000. What is R? R is 9.
Right.
9.
And what is T?
2.
T is
2.
all over what?
100.
All over 100. Good stuff. So here we could cancel, right? So we cancel this 0 with this 0. We could cancel out this 0 with this 0, right? And so we're going to be left with what?
50 times 9 times 2 over 1.
Very good. So we're left with 50 times 9 times 9 times 2 all over 1, right? So let's do it step by step. Let's do 50 times 9 first. All right, 50 times 9 is what? 50 times 9 is what? 9 times 0
450.
is 0. 9 times 5 is 45. So 50 times 9 is 450. It's going to be 450 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 2 all over 1, right? Which is equal to 450 multiplied by 2, which is what? 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Put the 0 down, put the 1 up. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's going to be 900. So we have 900 over 1. What is 900 over 1? That's going to be
900.
900. So that means our answer over here is going to be equal to $900 simple interest.
Or you're gonna do a short away, which is 18 times 50.
Say it again.
You're gonna do a short away as well by doing the smaller numbers, which is 9 times 2, which is 18, and times that by 50.
That's correct. We could do that as well. Thank you, Kalia. Very good. You could just do that. So you could, I thought about that. You could also do that. So you're right. So you do 9 times 2, which is 18, and then you can multiply that by 50. It doesn't matter which ones you add first because multiplication is commutative. That is to say that it doesn't matter the order in which you add. I mean in which you multiply, because 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. So the order doesn't matter. So 50 times 9 first, and then multiplying by 2 will work. Also 9 times 2 first, multiplying that by 50, that will also work. But you will always get 900 at the end. At least you should. All right, any questions on how we got the simple interest to be 900? Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir, but could you explain it one more time? Or have one
Yeah.
of them explain it?
Yeah, no problem. Let's see. Renelle, where's Renelle Hinsey?
Hello,
Hello. How you doing?
I'm okay.
You okay? What happened? You sound down today.
I'm not down.
Okay, good. All right, so can you explain do you understand how we got 900?
Yeah, so
Okay, so explain it for us, Ranel.
okay, so we first have to find out what our interest is. So it'll be like P times R times T, which becomes the principal times rate times time. So P would be 500, R would be 9%, and T would be 2. So you could start by which is all be over 100. So we could cancel out some zeros.
Very good.
So we'll be left with 50 times 2. No, times 9 times 2. And yeah, we'll get 900
Very
because
good.
50 times 9 equals 450 times 2 equals 900.
Very good.
Over 1 will be 900. Yeah.
Very good. Very good, Ranel. Very good. I like when y'all explain stuff, man. Y'all just break it down. All right, good stuff. So any other questions? Ricardo, lead in. Do you understand this? Ricardo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Explain it for us. How we get 900 here?
Okay, the first thing you do, right, is find the principal. That's the borrowed money from the bank. That's 500. With the
5,000.
that's 2.
5,000, right?
Yes, sir. And for the rate, that's 9%. And for time, that's 2 years.
Yes.
Then you times 500. No, you gotta do the formula. That's P times rate times time over 100.
Very good.
Then you have to substitute the zeros from 500 with 100.
We could cancel them, right? We could cancel these zeros. Good.
Then you have times the principal with the rate, then the time to get your answer.
So we do 50 times 9, which gives us what?
450.
What we do after that?
Then times it with the time. That's 2. Then you get 900.
Very good. So the answer is going to be 900. Did anyone figure out what is the total amount that he must repay to the bank? So total amount to be repaid to the bank would be what? What do you have to do to get the total amount repaid to the bank? That's going to be what? So total.
Take away 500.
So total. So if we say total Are we gonna subtract or are we gonna add? If we say total. If we say total, are we gonna subtract or are we gonna add?
Add.
We're gonna add, very good. So we're gonna add our principal with the what? With the interest. So the principal was 5,000. So we're gonna say 5,000, right? Plus what? Plus 900. 900. Which gives us what?
5,900.
Very good, 5,900. Does that make sense to y'all? 5,900.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so that's our answer there.
Yes, sir.
Again, we are not having a quiz on this, right? No quiz for math. We just mixed review.
I'll be watching you. I'll be watching
No
you.
quiz, no quiz.
Honestly, the
No
amount of
quiz.
times and how we saying it and the fact that we doing a mixed review kind of makes me want to believe a little bit that we won't have it. But I'm trusting him a little bit, but I'll do what I think.
I still don't trust.
We believe you part of the We Believe
Wait
team.
till it's 7 minutes. Wait till 7 o'clock.
The We Believe team is gonna win, guys. I
We
hope.
believe, say, I hope. We believe,
Yo,
we believe.
even we believe, hopefully we will have
I'm
it.
defending you.
It's a team believe.
I hope you don't get no quiz.
We believe y'all who we believe, y'all believe half-heartedly. I know it.
No, don't try to put doubt in our camp.
I
We
did
believe,
this
no,
believe to be
no,
honest.
no.
Yo,
We
yo,
believe.
people in the We Believe team got it for real. I will not believe, even if someone beat me, I will not believe that we won't have a quiz right now.
We believe to the end. We believe to the end. That's a part of the We Believe philosophy. All right. And they won't be disappointed. I don't know why I tell y'all we ain't having a quiz. Y'all don't believe me. I don't understand this. Are you questioning my integrity?
Yes, because of the
Maybe
evidence that has been
believe him
given.
this one time and then after, don't believe him no more.
Wow. All right. Amari and Joel, I won't let y'all down. All right. Okay. We have a lot of doubting Thomases inside this class. A lot. Okay, so all right, so let's do higher purchase now. So higher purchase.
Yeah, so
Higher purchase is number 3. All right, so we have ratio, then simple interest, then now we're on higher purchase. Okay, so where's Shamar? Shamar Stewart, are you there? Where's Shamar? Shamar Stewart, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Shamar. Let's go with Renaj. Renaj, can you hear me? Renaj, are you there? So no Renaj. And then we're gonna go with Nikhil Garden. Nikhil, can you hear me?
Mr. PD, can I read?
Who's that? Ranel? Yeah, go ahead. Read number
Ranel.
3. Read number 3.
The cash price of a cabinet is $900. It can be also bought on hire purchase by paying a 20% deposit followed by 12 monthly payments of $75 each. A. Calculate the amount of the deposit. B. The total of the monthly payments. C. The total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase.
Very good. Thank you. And Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? No Ajani, so we're gonna go with Warren Wells. Where's Warren?
Read it.
All right, can you read number 3 for me, please?
The holding.
Yeah.
The cash price of our cabinet is $900. It can also be bought on hire purchase by paying a 20% deposit, followed by 12 monthly payments of $75 each. Part A, calculate the amount of the deposit. Part B, the total of the monthly payments. And Part C, the total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase.
Very good. Khadija, where's Khadija? Where's Khadija? And Carly C. What the K is. Carly C. and Kaden. Where are you? No. Okay, so Keyshawn. Keyshawn, where's Keyshawn? No. So we're gonna go with Brene Sweeting.
Yes, sir.
Brene, can you read number 3 for me?
The cash price of a cabinet is $900. It can also be bought on hire purchase by paying 20% deposit, followed by 12 monthly payment of $75 each.
Continue, calculate.
Calculate the amount of the deposit. B, the total of the monthly payment. C, the total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase.
Very good. So the first thing we want to do is we want to figure out the amount of the deposit. What's another word for deposit? What's another word for deposit?
Down payment.
Down payment. Very good. So can someone explain to me what we mean by deposit? What is a deposit or what is a down payment?
Give them half or 20% of the price so that they can keep your stuff on hold.
Yes, so they could keep it on hold for you, right? So they could secure it for you so that they could know that, hey, you're the one who we gotta keep this for, and we're not gonna sell it to anyone else, right? Because this is for you, right? So what percentage is the deposit? The deposit is gonna be what? 20%. So 20% of what? So 20% of what? The cash price, right? The cash price. Now, when we say of, what does of mean in mathematics?
Multiply.
Multiply. So when we say of, we mean the multiply. So 20% of the cash price. All right. So let's go ahead and multiply 20%. Right. And so we're gonna say, let's go ahead. So we're gonna say 20%. So we're gonna say, let me use a block. So we're gonna say 20 over 100. Multiply by what?
900 over 1.
Very good. Multiply by 900 over 1. Right? It's gonna be equal to, we can cross out the zeros, right? So we can cross out, we cancel this 0 with this 0, and this 0 with that 0. So we'll be left with what? 20. Help me out. 20 over what?
Over 1 times
Over
1
over 1.
Multiplied by what?
9 over 1.
9 over 1. What is gonna be equal to? What is 20 times 9?
180.
So 20 times 9. 9 times 0 is
0.
0. 9 times 2 is
18.
18. It's gonna be what? 18. So it's gonna be what?
180.
180. Very good. 180. So that means that the deposit is what? The deposit is, or the down payment is 180. All right. So how do we do that? In order for us to do the down payment, all we needed to do was we need to say, oh, hey, what is 20%? 20% of 900. So 20% is basically going to be 20 over 100 multiplied by 900 over 1. And that's going to be what? We cancel out the zeros here. It's going to be 20 over 1 multiplied by 9 over 1. 20 times 9 is 180. Okay. Now we will need to figure out, we need to calculate the total monthly payments. So total monthly payments, right? So with total monthly payments, how are we going to figure the total monthly payments? We're going to figure out the total monthly payments. So
the amount for the each monthly payment times how much months?
Very good. So that means that on month 1, how much does she have to pay? $75, right? And for how many months? How many months?
For 12 months.
12 months. So month 1, she have to pay $75. Month 2, she have to pay $75. Month 3, she has to pay $75. Month 4, she have to pay $75. Month 5, she have to pay $75. Month 6, she have to pay $75. Is she done on month 6? Is she done on month 6? Is she done on month 6?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So we have to
No,
go to what?
sir.
Month what? Month 7. Then what? Month 8. Then what? Month 9.
Month 9.
Then month 10. Then month 11. Is she done at month 11?
No, sir.
No. All the way to month 12. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add all that together. Right? Now you could add it 12 times, or you could do something different. Instead of adding it 12 times, what could we do? We could just what? We could just
multiply.
Very good. We could just multiply by 12. Which way you prefer? Adding it 12 times or multiplying by 12?
Multiplying.
Yeah,
Adding
multiplying.
is like 12 times.
Adding it 12 times is insane. But 2 times 5 is going to be 10. Put the 0 down. Put the 1 up. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Put the 0 down. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. Zero plus 0 is going to be 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put the 0 down. Put the 1 up. 9 plus 2 is, 7 plus 2 is 9. So that means that in order for us to get the monthly payments, we have to multiply 75 by what? By 12. And that gives us what? $900. So that is the total monthly payment. Okay. Any questions on that? Acacia, Ajani, Albert, Rox, do you all understand that? Let me know. Acacia, Ajani, Albert, Rox.
Yes, sir.
Understand it? Very good. Alphanique, do you understand this? That's good. Malaya Delavo, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So now, Malaya, I wanna know the total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase. How are you gonna do that? The total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase. How am I gonna do that?
To get the total cost, you add the $900 and the 180.
Very good. So that'll give us the total cost. Very good, Malaya. Very good. Excellent.
Thank
So in order for us to get the total cost, we're gonna Malaya, do you believe me? Are you part of the We Believe team?
No, sir.
Watch that shot like a hawk. The second seven.
Wow.
Joel and AI.
Joel. Wow. Malaya don't believe me. Malaya, come on. I thought you were part of the We Believe team.
Become be a part
We
of
love
the
you, we just don't believe you.
Watch it like a hawk.
Part of the
We believe.
We believe team. We believe. All right, so 900 plus 150 gives us what? Let me add them.
1,080.
1,080. I want some more people to be a part of the We Believe team, man, because that's the winning team.
5 minutes till reveal.
We'll watch you. We're watching you.
We
What is
believe.
it about?
0 plus 0 is
believe.
0. 5
You have to
plus
give us a
5.
record of telling us.
Miss Petit, you know, sometimes things just pop up, you know, so like
Y'all really don't believe me. I can't believe this.
these things have a mind that when they just pop up.
This is Papa P. Just
They
don't
just
know.
pop up from 5 years ago, right?
Just magically.
Mr. Petit, how you get 150?
Yeah. How I got 150? 180. My bad. It's supposed to be 180, right?
Oh, of course me right up my answer.
My bad. It's supposed to be 180. That's them
Oh
talking.
man.
They keep on talking, but this We Believe thing. All right, so it's gonna be
So even you saying that we shouldn't believe because you was like even they talking about we believe thing.
the We Believe team is the winning team. So 9 plus 0.
It might be the
9.
winning team, but that don't mean that's the wrong team now.
It's the winning team. Just saying. Get on board while you have a chance.
I guess we'll see.
So I guess we'll see. All right, so 1,080. All right, so it's supposed to be 900 plus 180. Good. All right, so basically the idea is this, right? We have 180 for the deposit. We have 900 for the total monthly payments. And to get the total hire purchase cost, we have to add 900 plus 180, and that gives us 1,080. So that's how we get that. All right. Zion, where's Zion?
Yeah.
You understand this?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, so read the question and step by step explain it for us.
What, number 3?
Yes, number 3.
The cash price of a cabinet is $900. It can also be bought on hire purchase by paying a 20% deposit followed by 12 monthly payments of $75 each. Calculate the amount of the deposit. B, the total of the monthly payments. C, the total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase. Want me to explain it?
Yes, explain. Yes, explain how
What
we
you
got
mean
it.
by explain? Like explain how you got the answer?
Yes, explain how we got it for A, B, and C. Yeah.
Oh, I can't do all that.
You do not okay, so let's start with this one. How we got 180? What did we do?
By times in 20 over 100 times 900 over 1.
What did we do with the zeros?
Cross them out. Hold on. Cross them out. 20 over 1 times 9. What's money? I am not good at explaining.
Okay, no problem. Let's do it step by step. What did we do with the zeros? Here.
You took them out. You crossed them out.
We
cancel
cancel
them.
Okay, so we are left
and you
with
left
what?
with the ones. 20 over 1.
Multiplied by what?
9/1.
Good. And then what we do to get the 180? What we do?
You times 20 times 9.
Which gives
20
us?
180.
Very good. So that's how we get that. Now let's move on to total monthly payments. So every month, how much does this person have to pay every month? How much does this person-
$75
every month. How many months they have to pay this for?
12.
Good. So to get the total monthly payments, we have to multiply.
75 times 12.
Very good, which gives us what?
900.
900. Good. Now we have the total cost of the cabinet on hire purchase. So we want the total cost.
Total cost, like added up all together.
Added all together. So we do
We do
900.
900 plus 180.
Very good.
$1,080.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, so next we have. Oh, no. Gosh, I don't want to stop it. I don't want to stop. Okay, keep. All right, good. So we have one more. I did promise 4, right? So as a man of my word, we're gonna have 4 of these. Tell you, the integrity is a very important thing.
You
Okay,
know
so
what would be amazing?
Oh, it's 7 o'clock. You know,
If
maybe
you were actually telling the truth, that would be amazing.
all right, so okay, so
I
last
think it's that we doing the quizzes. I think he has the spirit of the quiz inside of him.
wow.
maybe it's
All right.
like
Maybe it's like Scrooge with the 3 ghosts of present, past, and future.
The Ghost of well, watched that before. The Ghost of Christmas Past.
I don't
All right,
think I watched the original one, but I watched the animated one and the next
animated
one.
one. Okay. So the last one we're gonna do is we're gonna do the salary and wages. We just came off this one. So salary and wages question. So good. Cool. So for this one, we're gonna figure out like how much this person works per week and stuff like that. So let's go. So we have Logan, I want you to read this one. This is a very long one, so I want you to read it. All right, so I might have to change the colors here, but
If somebody is colorblind, they probably know this color.
yeah, let me see if I could. I don't want to use blue, yellow, maybe. Yellow pops up better. Let's go yellow. Okay, good. And good. All right, go ahead, Keenan. Read question number 4.
Number 4, salary and wages. Mrs. Ferguson works for $7.40 an hour for a 40-hour week. Calculate her wages for a 40-hour week. Read the rest.
Yes, but in regular language.
Oh, sorry, that was A. Okay, so overtime is paid at a rate of time and a half. Calculate the amount paid for 1 hour overtime. C. Last week she worked 47 hours. How many hours of overtime did she work? D. Calculate her overtime pay. E. Finally, calculate her total pay for the week.
Why am I kind of hearing Robin from Wolfwalkers?
Oh gosh.
He sound AI for you.
He sound.
Bro, why? That's your actual voice.
That's not his actual voice.
But I thought that was AI, bro. Like you talking like a robot, bro.
Really?
By the way, I'm still waiting on you to ask me to read a question in British.
Oh, you could do British? That'd be good. Kanan, you sound more AI than British, but hey, good for a try. Good try.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay, so
I'm becoming like one of you, like you.
unfortunately, right?
Am I your? Unfortunately, am I your son now?
Oh gosh.
Am I
Also,
technically? Are we technically farming now
ah,
to our wide area and large area network?
slow down. All right, so calculate her wages for a 40-hour work week. So how much does she get paid per hour? How much does Ms. Ferguson get paid?
$2.40.
$7.40, right?
A whopping 740 pennies per hour.
So $7.40 is she paid per hour. How many hours does she work?
A regular week is 40 hours a week.
40 hours. Very good. So we want to calculate her wages for a 40-hour work week. How are we going to do that? How are we going to calculate her wages for
By
40 hours?
multiplying 740 pennies times 40.
Very good. So we have to multiply $7. By the way, if you get your answer, you can put it inside the chat. So multiply $7.40. Multiply that by 40. And what do we get? It's gonna be what? It'll be equal to what we get when we multiply them two together. So $7.40 multiplied by 40. So we have 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. We bring that down. 4 times 29 flat.
No, 29.60.
29.60. Okay. Thank you. Anyone else got the same thing? Anyone else?
Yes,
So we
sir.
okay. 4 times 0
Got
is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Put the 6
I
down.
was doing it wrong, sorry.
Put the 1 up. Oh gosh. 4 times 7 is what? 28 plus 1 is 29. And we have to add it, right? So we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. So it's gonna be, this is point, we put the point here, right? And so we're gonna move it over 2 times. So it's gonna be 1 and 2. So we put the point here. So we have $296. All right, we agree with that? $296. That's how much she get paid. Do y'all agree with that, or y'all?
I agree. For a second, I thought it's 29,600, but I forgot to put the decimals.
Yeah, you have to put the decimals in now, right? Okay, good. So now they say that overtime rate is paid at time and a half. Does anyone remember what we mean when we say time and a half?
1.5.
1.5. Very good. So time and a half is going to be. By the way, y'all could put your answers inside the chat. Thank you, Logan. Logan have all his answers inside the chat. The rest of you, y'all could put your answers inside the chat if you know how to do it before me, right? And I know a lot of you are able to do that. But like, Mr. Petit, you're going too slow. Why know how to do this? So if you're like that, then you could put your answers inside the chat. Okay, so
Just join.
you just joined. So read part B for me, Deshaun. Overtime is paid.
Pardon?
Read part B for number 4. Overtime is paid.
Overtime is paid at the rate of time and the half. Calculate the amount of paid for 1 hour.
Very
overtime.
good. So when we say time and a half, do you know what that means when we say time and a half?
Oh,
No, not really. So when
no,
they
sir.
say time and a half, they mean that you have to multiply by 1.5. If they say double time, that means that you have to multiply by 2. Right? So just keep that in mind. Time and a half multiply by 1.5, and then double time you have to multiply by what, Deshaun? Double time.
Yes, sir.
You have to multiply by what for double time? For double time. You have to multiply by what?
1.5.
No, for double time. Like double, to multiply by what? By 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And then for time and a half, what you multiply by? You said it earlier. 1 point what?
5.
1.5. So let's say it again. For double time, you have to multiply by
2.
By 2. Very good. And for time and a half, Deshaun, what you have to multiply by?
1.5, I think.
1.5. Very good. So they say overtime is paid at time and a half. So we're going to multiply by Deshaun. They say time and a half. So we're going to use to multiply. No, they say time and a half. Okay, class, let's help them. Time and a half is multiplied by what?
1.5.
1.5. Very good. And double time is multiplied by what?
2.
By 2. The rest of us, help them out. Time and a half, we have to multiply by? Time and a half.
1.5.
You have to multiply by 1.5. And double time, you have to multiply by? Double time, you have to multiply by what?
2.
By 2. So here, we have time and a half, so you have to multiply 1.5. So 1.5. Oh gosh. 1.5 multiplied by the hourly rate, which is what? $7.40. So $7.40. Now when we take 1.5 and multiply it by $7.40, what we get? Let's go ahead and multiply it. So we have $7.40. Did anyone else get it? Did anyone get anything for multiplying it by 1.5? $7.40. So we have $7.40. $7.40 multiplied by 1.5. Did anyone get an answer when you multiply it? Or you all haven't done it yet? Maybe you all haven't done.
11.10.
11.10. Say it in terms of money. If you're calling out money, how would you say it?
$11.10.
Very good. $11.10. So let's go ahead and multiply that. We have 5 times 0, which is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Put the 0 down. Put the 2 up. 5 times 7 is 5 times 7 is 5 times 7. 35 plus 2 is 30. 35 plus 2 is 37. Right? Put the 0 down. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. So you have to add this together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we put 1 down. We put 1 above. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 10, 11. So it's going to be 11. So we move it over 3 times. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3. So it's going to be 11.10. So 11.10. Or $11.10. That's how we're going to get overtime hours work. So she worked for 1 hour overtime. It's going to be $11.10. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to part C. It says last week she worked 47 hours. How many hours of overtime did she work? So how are we gonna figure this out? She worked 47 hours last week. How many hours of overtime did she work? What are we gonna do with the 47?
47 minus 40.
Very good. 47 minus 40, which gives us what? Which gives us
7 hours.
7 hours. Very good. So we say 47 minus 40, which gives us 47 hours. So how many hours of overtime did she work? How many hours of overtime did she work? Anyone can answer, don't be shy.
7.
How many hours of overtime?
7 hours.
7 hours.
7 hours. All right, so can more persons answer besides Adassa and company? The rest of you didn't answer. How many hours? How many hours did she work? How many hours did she work?
7 hours.
7 hours, very good. 7 hours. So we say 47 minus 40, which gives us 7 hours. Because she really supposed to work for 40 hours, but she works for 47 hours, so she worked like 7 hours more, right? Now, we want to calculate her overtime pay, right? So overtime pay is going to be how much she get paid for 1 hour overtime multiplied by how many hours of overtime did she work. So again, overtime pay is going to be her, the amount that she got paid for 1 hour overtime multiplied by the amount of overtime hours she worked. All right. So can someone tell me what I'm going to do for D? How am I going to get her overtime pay?
7 times $11.10.
Yeah, 7 times $11.10.
Very good. So we're gonna multiply, right? So we're gonna say 7. All right, 7 multiplied by $11.10. And so let's go ahead and multiply that. So we have $11.10. By the way, tell me what y'all get when y'all multiply it before I do mine.
$77.70.
$77.70.
$77.77. Okay, which makes sense because you essentially
I
multiply.
also got $77.70.
Okay, so 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. It's like 70. It's like 70 times 7. So there's 2 numbers behind the decimal point. So we move it over how many times? Twice. 1 and 2.
2 times.
Yeah, so it's gonna be like that right there. So it's gonna be $77.70.
Wait a second. 77.7. Don't stop gambling, fellas.
$77.70. You know, I'm pretty proud of y'all. No one said 6-7 for the whole class. So,
6-7?
oh gosh.
You just had to bring it up.
Oh, y'all is doing so well, man. Like that's probably would have been
For
our
real. Until you mentioned
that's
it.
probably would have been our first class of no total integrity. All right. All right, so now we want to figure out like what is her total pay for the week. So we know that she works, she get paid overtime money. We also know that she get paid her regular wages. Okay, so how are we gonna figure out her total pay for the week? How are we gonna do that?
You add the regular wages and the overtime.
Very good. We're gonna add the regular wages plus the overtime pay. All right. And let's go with Clayton Murphy. Clayton, are you there? Clayton, are you there? Where's Clayton?
Yes, sir.
How are we gonna get a total overtime pay?
Where are we right now?
Say it again.
Where are we right now?
Part E. Part E.
Part D. Calculate her overtime.
No, part E. Part E.
Oh. Total pay for the week. We add $77.70 plus the $296. Sorry, I'm tired.
So say it again. What are we gonna do?
Add the $77.70 with the $296.
Very good. Are you writing this down, Clayton?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. So we have calculator pay for the week. Our pay for the week is gonna be, like he said, we're gonna add the regular pay plus we're gonna add our regular pay plus $77.70. So let's go ahead and add that. So we have so $296 plus $77 and 70 cents. And when we go ahead and add that, we have what? $296 plus $77.70. That gives us what? When you add them, what you get? Let me show the addition.
300 for 373.7 cents. 70 cents.
Yeah, $373.70. So it's gonna be 300. Let's go ahead and add it. Let me just show the addition before I put that answer. Did anyone else get the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What did y'all get again?
$373.70.
Very good. Tyler, why your mic sound like that? You sound like far from your mic.
My mic?
Yeah.
Sounds me.
You sound a little distant. At 70 cents.
It might be my Wi-Fi.
I mean, you probably came closer because it cleared up a bit, but you just sound like a little distant. So 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. 7 plus 0 is going to be 7. We put the dot here. 6 plus 7 is what? What is 6 plus 7?
13.
30.
6, 7?
6 plus 7 is what?
Don't do it, guys.
6
7
plus 7 is 13.
Thank you, Keyshawn, for being the mature one. 7, 8,
Good
9,
job.
10, 11, 12, 13. So we put the 3 down.
6, 7.
Oh gosh. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1 is 17. So we put the 7 down, put the 1 up. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have $373.70. Is it? Yeah, 70 cents. And 70 cents, yeah. So 373, 373, and 70 cents. Okay. So we have $373 and $373.70. Okay.
Time to stop that chat.
All right. So we have a ratio, we have simple
I
interest,
really don't
we
get
have
that number though.
we have higher purchase. Would you say Cleveland, you say you don't understand?
I don't get that forbidden number everybody be screaming, man.
Or you don't get it? Just a TikTok thing. All right. Okay, so cool. So we have a ratio, we have simple interest, we have higher purchase. Which one is your favorite one? That you feel like you
Higher
would,
purchase.
the easiest one. Which one is the easiest one?
Simple
for you?
interest.
Simple
Probably
interest.
like probably
Simple
like
interest.
ratios are pretty easy.
Ratio.
Ratio.
Ratio. All right. Which one is the one that you
Simple
don't?
interest.
Simple
Salary and
interest. Which one is the one that you do not like at all? Not at all, but you hate. You don't,
higher
or the
purchase.
four.
Like higher purchase.
And wages because it's a lot you have to do.
Salary and wages.
Salary and wages.
Higher purchase.
Higher purchase, salary and wages. Yeah. All right. Good. Well, when I was a student, my least favorite was higher purchase. I hated this with a passion. My favoriteest one was anything except higher purchase. I don't know if I had a favorite, but oh yeah, I didn't like ratios. I could do ratios like with my eyes closed. I remember that clearly. Simple interest was okay, but ratio was definitely, so I'll go ratio was the best when I was at least when I was your age, and higher purchase was my least favorite. Salary and wages wasn't that bad. I feel like that's straightforward. But higher purchase, I didn't understand that for nothing. But now I do, and I think you do as well. But just do more practice, right? So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and take a picture of their work for me, please.
All right, this moment is here. So all the people, to all of
It's
us.
7:25.
This is yours.
We have had a civil war
We
since
believe
the oldie days.
small after this quiz. We do not want to hear from you right now.
Will the We Believe group triumph or will they fall?
We
and
believe to the
face
end.
the rise of the opposition.
Not love, we believe in the chat though.
We believe to the end.
It would be amazing if you were actually telling the truth, man. I'd have to like document it.
All right, that's what I can do. I can open up the chat. All the We Believe people put We Believe in the chat. We believe. If you say if
I
you're
in the middle right now.
if you're in the We Believe camp, put We Believe in the chat.
I starting to believe a little bit.
Put We Believe in the chat. If you a part of the We Believe camp, put We Believe in the chat. I open up the chat. I don't come on. This is
him. Don't believe him.
We believe. Come on, we believe. Yes, I have We Believe. Let's go, Mari. We believe till the end. Negative. We don't believe. Wow, we don't. No, we shall not.
Guys, trust me this time.
Thank you. Thank you, man. We believe till the end. Say too much.
You see what I put in the chat?
I see it. I see it. Oh my. Kanan say I started to believe.
I only
Alright.
see 4 students.
We believe team shall. Oh gosh. Let me end this chat. Let me close the chat because y'all. All right, see you on. We believe till the end. Y'all having too much fun.
Stop believing is absolutely
crazy.
All right.
Oh, it is fine.
See, we don't. I honestly don't have any quizzes. If I had a quiz, I would have given it to y'all, but I don't have a quiz for this one. Not for mixed review. I didn't make any.
You know, this is pretty Mark. Maybe he's right.
Hey.
Would that be if I calculate her wages for a 40-hour week?
Okay, so when they say calculate out wages for 40-hour week, what that means is, so she worked for 40 hours, right? So for 40-hour week, she's gonna work for 40 hours. That makes sense? So every hour she's paid how much?
Yeah, sir.
How much is she paid every hour? Every hour she's paid how much? It said right there she's paid what?
$7.40.
Yes, she's paid $7.40 per hour, right? And that's every hour. So she worked 8 hours on Monday, 8 hours on Tuesday, 8 hours on Wednesday, 8 hours on Thursday, 8 hours on Friday. Okay. So every hour she's gonna get paid $7.40. So if she worked for 40 hours, she's gonna get paid $7.40 multiplied by 40. So you take the amount that she get paid every hour and multiply it by 40. So that means that at the end of the week, if she worked 40 hours, she's gonna get paid $296. All right. So just think about it like that. Every hour, she's gonna get paid $7.40. So if she worked for 40 hours, all we have to do is multiply it, $7.40 multiplied by 40, which gives us 296. All right, so that's how we do it. All right. Hopefully that helps.
Yes,
a little bit. All right. No problem, Brene. You're free to ask your questions anytime. I wish more persons would ask questions, but sometimes we are shy. That's fine. I used to do the same thing when I was a student, when I was shy. But you gotta ask questions. You know, don't be shy. Even if you put it in the chat, you know, I'll be able to like
Excuse me, Mr. Vicky.
respond to it. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
If I take an English for the BJC, right? Does taking English for BJC entail English language and literature? Because I didn't read all the books.
No literature. If you're only doing
Okay, yes, sir.
if you're only doing English language and English literature are two different things, right? So they're literally two different things. So if you
I thought so, but I only saw one on my on the form that our school gave us.
now some people are doing literature and language. Some people are doing that. But you probably just doing English. In fact, when I was a student, we didn't have literature for BJC. We only had it I took it when I was in grade 12. But y'all have a lot of stuff that we didn't have. Like y'all have French, y'all have like Spanish, y'all have literature. We didn't have them stuff. Not in grade 9. We waited until we reached in grade 12 for that stuff. So y'all have it better. Okay, so we're gonna do a grade exercise. For the grade exercise, I want you to write the question down. There's only two. I'm only gonna give you all two questions. I'm gonna give you all the ratio question and the simple interest question. All right. So write it down, and then we're gonna.
I think I believe again.
Write it down, and then. And then you could go ahead and answer that. So we have ratio and simple interest. So just these two. So we have, so let's read it. We have Sean, Serrano, and Lionel shared $2,700 in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4 respectively. Calculate the amount of money that Lionel received. Then calculate the amount of money that, calculate Sean's share, and then calculate Serrano's share. And then for number 2, we have Jeremiah borrowed $7,000 from the bank for 3 years at 6% simple interest per annum. Calculate how much interest Jeremiah is charged and calculate the total amount he must repay to the bank. Okay.
I promise you, if we get a quiz, I'm gonna have on a soundboard. I'm gonna unmute my mic, and I'm gonna play a soundboard if we get a quiz. Trust me, I promise you.
And what's on said soundboard?
Don't worry about that. We're not having a quiz. Go ahead.
Are you sure you're not getting a quiz? Are you sure?
I already said that. I said
I think it's only grade.
Hey, don't jinx it. I stand to believe.
I'm gonna say that same thing. All right, so I want you to write.
It till I see it.
We only having the cool thing today. We're not having any quiz for math today.
Yeah, I don't think we have it for math.
No, only the
But
two.
technically, the Kahoot is for English, so yeah.
Okay, so
I'll see next week if he's still the same.
okay, so we have Adasa, what number you want?
1C.
1C, good. Genesis, what number you want? Genesis, what number you want?
Pardon?
What number you want, Genesis?
1.
1, like A, B, or C?
On the first, like,
Or you just write that down first? Okay, and Albert Rocks, where's Albert Rocks? Albert Rocks, are you there? Where's Albert Rocks?
Yeah, so
Albert, do you understand how to do these questions? Albert. By the way, when you do the questions, I want you to write them down and then send them to me on WhatsApp. So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp when you finish with them. All right?
Mr. Billy, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Is it like okay if you like not write the questions at all, but like short, no?
No, that's why I only give you all 2 questions. If I didn't
No,
want you all to...
No, I'm not meaning I'm like these 2 questions. I just mean like the long ones.
No, this is not long. You don't have to short these. You don't have to short these. That's why I only give you all 2. Right? If I wanted to, because then I could tell you don't not write the questions. Like, but I want you to write down these 2. There will be ones. If we have time, we'll do others where you don't have to write down the questions for sure, because they are long. But these ones definitely write up. Albert Rocks, I can't hear you. What number you want? And do you understand what we do?
Number 2, and I understand.
You do understand. That's good. And Antonio Lewis. There's Antonio Lewis. Antonio Lewis. Where's he?
Yes, sir.
What number you want?
Number 2.
Do you understand how to do these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have Ethan. Where's Ethan? Ethan A. Where's Ethan A?
Oh, yes, sir.
Are you doing core extended? Or you don't know yet?
For which subject? Math?
For math, yeah.
Core.
Just core? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I got you. I know what you're doing, so you good. I know what you're doing. And you're taking it this semester, right? Like major one-ish?
Yes, sir. April.
April, okay. All right, no problem. Okay, so we have that means you only doing paper 1 and 2. You only doing paper 2. Okay, cool. No problem. So we have Jamari Evans. Where's Jamari?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
I finish.
Finish,
Excuse me,
okay.
17.
So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, Jamari.
Yes, sir.
Someone have a question for me?
Oh, never mind. You want to take the question for me?
Yeah, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp if you're done. Jaden Pyfrom? Jaden Pyfrom. And Jai Thompson.
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Oh, I'm finishing. I'm going to take a picture and send it to you.
Okay, no problem. Giovanni? That's Giovanni.
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Number 2.
You understand what to do for this? You understand what to do for this?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, may I be excused real quick, please?
Yes, you can. Giovanni, do you understand what to do for this?
Yes, sir.
Giovanni. That's good. And Latavia,
I am prepping that son.
Latavia, what number you on?
Number 2.
That's good. And you understand what to do, Latavia?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Where's China? China ain't come this week, right? Latavia.
Yes, sir.
Should know. Is she good?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Malia, where's Malia?
I see Mr. Petit, which Malia?
Malia, not you. Malia Roll. Latavia, you taking the exam this year?
Excuse me.
1 second. You taking the exam this year, Latavia?
Yes, sir.
Core extended.
Core.
Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. And we have Kelvin Gordon. Where's Kelvin Gordon?
Hello?
Yes, Kelvin, what number you on?
The last one.
You understand what to do for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Renique Wood. Where's Renique? Renique Wood and Irvin Phillips. What number you on?
I finished.
You finished as well? Okay, that's good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
Number 2A, would that be for like, that would be including, that would be 3 years, or that would be just for 1 year?
3 years. 3 years.
Yes, I think.
All right, so let's go ahead and answer number 1. So number 1, they want us to calculate the amount of money that Lionel received. So the first thing we have to do for this one, anyone could help me, what y'all did for 8? What the first thing we did for 8? We define what is what? 1 equal parts. And what do we do for that?
We get how much in total is shared and divided by the respective ratios.
Very good.
We add the respective ratios and then divide it.
Yeah, we added and then we divided by the total amount, right? So it's gonna be, in fact, I could like make this a little bigger, right? Because we have space. So we have to confine ourselves to this. Let's increase this. All right, so 1 equal part is gonna be equal to 2,700 divided by what? Divided by 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 equal part is equal to 2,700 divided by, what is 2 plus 3 plus 4?
9.
9, very good. So 1 equal part is equal to 2,700 divided by 9. What is that?
300.
300.
You'll get 300?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 300. So the answer is gonna be 300. So that's 1 equal part, but we want to figure out what it was gonna be Lionel's share. How many equal parts is for Lionel?
4.
Yes, Lionel has 4 equal parts. So to get Lionel's share, what we have to do is to multiply 4 by what? 4 by
300.
Excuse me, 4 by 300. 4 by 300. Gives us what? 4 times 300. What is 4 times 300?
1,200.
4 times 300. 1,200. Good. So that's what we have there. And we have to calculate what is Sean's share. So Sean is going to be how many equal parts is for Sean?
2.
2, very good. So 2 multiplied by
300.
Divided by 300. That gives us what?
600.
Yes, 600. And then finally, we have Serrano's share.
Which is 3 equal parts.
Which is 3 equal parts. Very good. So it's going to be what?
300 times 3, which is 900.
Very good. Serrano's share is going to be equal to 3 times 300. Which is what?
900.
3 times 300 is 900. My number is 426-8891. My number. That's my number. All right, so did anyone get all right for number one? Did anyone get all right for number one?
Got it.
One,
So
all right.
I got it.
Yes, sir.
I did.
Very good, very good. Very good. Excellent job,
I
guys.
got all right.
Very good, Cleveland. All right, so now we need to go to number two. So for number two, what y'all got for A? What do we got for A?
420.
120.
Right.
Only one person finished number 2A.
I finished.
I finished
Okay. What would y'all answer?
420.
120. So first we have to figure out what is P, what is R, what is T, right? So the principal, which is the amount borrowed, by the way, I could expand this, right? So let's expand this. So boom. So the principal, which is the amount borrowed, the principal is P. So P is equal to what? 7,000. R is equal to what? 3 years. So P is 7,000, R is 3. Time is how much? I'm sorry. The R is what?
6.
R is 6. 6% simple interest. So R is 6. T is what? T is time. So time is going to be 3 years. Yeah. Yeah. So principal. So simple interest, therefore. So simple interest. It's going to be equal to principal times what? Times rate times what? Times time all over 100. What is P? P is what? P is 7,000. That's the principal. What is the rate?
6.
The rate is 6. Yeah, the rate is 6. What is the time? The time is 3. It's going to be equal to, well, all over, right? All over 100. So what could we do at this point?
Cancel out the 0.
We could cancel the zeros. So this 0 cancel with this 0. And this 0 cancel out with this 0. So we left with what? 70 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 6. Multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3. All over 1. It's going to be equal to, what is 70 times 6?
420.
70 times 6 is going to be 420. And 420 multiplied by 3 is going to be what?
1,260. No, 1,000. Hold on, 100, 260. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, same thing. All over 1, which is what?
Oh, the same thing.
1,260. So how come people are telling me they get 420 out? I'll get 420.
I was confused. I gone erase my answer and everything.
Excuse me, Miss Witty.
Yes.
I thought I did it wrong, completely wrong, because I see it's a simple interest, so I thought it's already done, but I got the same answer.
You got the same. What you did?
I multiplied for the interest. I did 6% of 7,000, and then I multiplied it by 3.
Yeah, that will work. Because literally 6% of 7,000, that's literally what it is. Multiply by 3, that will work. You will get the same answer.
I have
But
the same answer, but it's a little bit different on my book.
yeah, you should get 1,260 and use the formula, principal times rate times time. Okay. All right, so now what is the total amount that he must be paid to the bank?
8,260.
So the total amount that he must be paid to the bank. Let's go ahead and add that. So it's gonna be 1,260 plus what?
7,000.
7,000. Which is gonna be equal to
Mr. Petit, that's going equal to 7,126.
So we
8,200.
8,260.
8,260. Yeah, I agree with y'all.
So
160. Yeah, 8,260. 8,260. All right, Brene, you understand that? How we got the 8,260?
no, sir.
No? Okay. So what we did was we add 7,000. That white on that yellow is not good. So we have to do black and yellow. You already know about that song. That's old. You already know that song.
What song?
I know. Black
Black
and yellow.
Black and yellow.
You already know about that. That's
You
that's
know
way
what it is.
that's
Black and
way
yellow, black and yellow, black and
that's way before your time. Way before your time.
Miss Petit, back in my day, we used to walk over yonder to get to school. What you talking about way before our time?
Back in the day when Maxima and Ultima was the thing, I didn't know about them days, man. I know.
He actually kept his promise?
0 plus 0 is 0. 0
Miss
plus
Petit,
6
you
is
have
6.
honored your word and regained
0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. So that's how we do. That's how we added, Renee. So what we did is we add what? We add 1,260 with the 7,000, because the 7,000 is the amount borrowed. So 1,260 plus 7,000, and that gives us 8,260. That's how we do that. All right, did anyone get number 2 right? All of number 2 right?
I
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
There? Very good.
I got it.
Very good. Very good, guys. Very good.
I did as well.
I did.
Very
I
good.
got it.
Anyone got all right? 1 and 2.
Got it.
I did. I did.
All right,
I
all right.
did.
All right, good.
I
Good, good.
did.
Very smart.
Good, good. Okay, so take a picture of your work. If you haven't already, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Where's my We Believe crew? Where's my We Believe crew? Where's my We Believe crew?
And then he's gonna send the quiz.
Where's,
You see?
where's my
I did. I was the day one. I was the day one.
You can stay one. Where's my We Believe
He's
crew,
not
man?
gonna send it.
Right here on the
Where's
best
my
clue. The best clue.
Where's my We Believe crew? Okay, as I tell y'all. I tell y'all stop
He's
playing.
not gonna send it.
I
It's
tell
like
y'all.
2 minutes left.
All right, they still believe I can send the quiz, Amari. They still believe I'm gonna send the quiz. I don't understand these people.
Man, you only got 2 minutes. He's not gonna do that.
I'm not gonna do
Doing
that.
it 2 minutes.
I'm not gonna do that. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, if you got all right, put a 1 in the chat. If you're part of the We Believe crew, put 2 in the chat.
We believe.
We believe. Kanan,
We
you are
all-
not a Kanan, you are not a part of the We Believe. You just
Fuck
you,
you.
No.
Kanan,
You
Guys,
broke
we're
my
not
trust.
gonna
Kenny.
Now
make
you
it.
give me
There was
Kenny.
only 3 people who was on his side.
There's only 3. Only 3. All right, We Believe. All right. Okay,
I
so
guess I have to check in tomorrow and next week to see if it's only the Kahoot that making you do this, but yeah.
Mr. Petit, you see I changed my name?
I see you change your name. Joel changed his name to Joel/We Believe. That's what I'm talking about. All right. A true believer. Now listen, we're gonna have the Kahoot. I can't wait. So we are going to crown the next class president. I can't wait. I don't know who it's gonna be. I genuinely don't know who it's gonna be. Who y'all think it's gonna be? Honestly, y'all gotta call it before. You gotta call it before.
Maybe Kanan or Logan.
You think Kanan or Logan? All right, who you think it's gonna be?
I think
You think Tyler?
Logan.
You think Logan?
Logan.
Girls keeping love. Girls keeping love.
Every person isn't doing nothing.
Tyler, not me, Joshua.
But I won't be able to
Dominic?
make it to the Kahoot. I have to go like in like 20 minutes.
It's one of those.
Or you have to
girls,
go.
Either Tyler or Davin.
Dominic, Tyler, Dominic. Okay.
Guys, I think it might be Dominic.
All right. Well,
Is
Logan
Dominic
said.
please at all?
Logan said he's not gonna be here. So,
Oh, it's between Kanan and Dominic then.
it's between Kanan and Dominic.
Mr.
Okay.
Petit, just keep me as
I
vice
think it's
president,
me.
no?
I think it's me.
You think it's you, Andre?
Wait,
All right.
it's not me.
It's not you. All right, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. One thing about this class president thing, it's up for grabs, right? Like there's no telling, right? So let's go. Let's begin. Notes or no notes? Do we need notes? You only need no notes, right? We just get straight into it.
Like last time, I think we should. If you do it like last time, I think we should have notes.
You think we should have notes? Okay, so I'm gonna give out notes. So today is Wednesday, February the 20th, February 2026. Subject is of course English language, and the topic is we're gonna do vocabulary words, just like how we did it last time. Vocabulary words. I think we should have like between 20 to 25 questions. I don't want it to be short, because if it's too short, then
It should be 25 like last time. I think 25 was like a good number.
yeah.
So that we can get in class.
It should not be 10 or 15. It should be like 25 or 30.
Yeah.
25.
No, 25 is, we don't need more than 25. 20 to 25 is good.
I think 25 is like a good number right there. Like just like last time. It was enough
Yeah.
for people to go down and catch back up and all that.
Yeah, it's enough.
And
Yeah,
don't feel short or too long, kind of.
yeah, exactly. So we're gonna be looking at vocabulary words. And I'm not gonna give you all, right? I'm just gonna give out some of them. So the rest you just have to like, fend for yourself, right? So the way it works is that for this one we're gonna
And no cheating.
you know I'm gonna cheat. There's no such thing as cheating here. It's too fast to cheat. Like by the time you try to look that
I
up,
know, but
by the time you try to look that up, some already get it. Okay, so good. So let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen and share my screen again. Make sure everything is good. Very good. All right, so let's go. So the first word is going to be, let's go with let's go with so this way how I'm gonna do this first section is I'm gonna go with it's gonna be boys versus girls. So it's gonna be 10 vocabulary words I'm gonna give you all. And if a boy get it, then it'll be 1 point for the boys. If a girl get it, then it'll be 1 point for the girls. All right?
I
You
remember
understand?
this.
So all right, so you ready? So I'm gonna start by giving you I'm gonna start easy, then I'm gonna like ramp it up, right? So the first word is going to be very easy. It starts with S. So S.
Sanctuary.
Sanctuary.
You.
Suspicious.
Surprise.
Yes.
Suspicious.
No.
Succulent. Sorry.
No.
Sustenance.
No.
Sustainable.
Close.
Substitution.
Very good, Tyler.
Sustains.
Tyler said it.
Constitutionally.
Sustain.
Wait, didn't I? Oh, you're gaslighting? Gaslighting?
Tyler said, I heard Tyler say it first. I know no one else said it first before Tyler.
I know I heard someone say it. I thought it wasn't it because you didn't respond. So
Someone said
close. I heard close. So I had
I heard sustainable. What does sustain mean?
To keep something like in the
yeah, to keep going,
Yeah.
to keep something going, right? To
and
maintain
it's like
it.
original.
If I
or
have
good
a
condition.
dictionary, I could use my dictionary.
Of course, there's no problem with that. No one's stopping you from using anything you want to use.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so next word is gonna be like I said, I'm gonna start simple. Right? So the next word is gonna be, and then we're gonna wrap it up. R.
Reluctant.
Oh, the pink is for the girls. The
Restitution?
blue is for the boy, my bad. So the pink is gonna be for the girls. So R, so y'all, no one got this.
Reluctant.
Yeah, I was
Comfortable?
a little bit confused.
R-E.
respiratory.
S.
Restitution.
I.
Resistance?
Resist.
No.
Resistionary.
Resilient.
Resilient. Yeah, resilient.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
No, Amari said that before you.
I thought a girl said it.
Yeah, Amari did say it first.
Yeah, I thought I heard someone say it, then someone else say resilience.
So what resilient mean? What it means to be resilient? What does that mean?
To be great and getting back at it.
Yes.
Kind of.
To be
Yeah.
brave.
To be brave. To be able to recover from
be
difficult-
tough?
Yeah, to be tough. Yeah. To be able to recover quickly from difficulties. That's what it means to be resilient. All right. To be able to recover quickly from difficulties. All right, so Ronell, read the 2 words, please.
Sustain, to keep something going or maintain it over time. Resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulty.
Very good. So the next word that we're going to use is, I'm going to ramp it up a little bit. All right. So next word is going to be, people say just put it in pancake because the girls can get it again. All right, so it's going to be P R.
Pestilence.
It's hard. I ain't glad. It's hard. A.
I don't know.
G.
Paragraph.
M.
Algorithm.
Pragmatic.
Pragmatic. Who said that?
Me.
Okay.
So I said it so.
Very good. Very
That's
good.
what boy.
Very
You got
good, Malik. Very good, Malik. Let's go. The boys, at least
Thank
you're on the
you,
score
thank you.
table. Pragmatic. What does pragmatic mean?
Actually?
What does pragmatic
Oh, I
mean?
thought never mind.
Pragmatic means when you what? When
I-
you
No
pragmatic.
clue.
Pragmatic means that you deal with something in a practical way, when you're reasonable, right? Dealing with problems in a realistic way. You're realistic, you're a realist, right? You're pragmatic, right? So you deal with something in a real way, in a sensible way, in a logical way. That's what we mean by pragmatic. All right. Oh, yeah, okay. Once a boy, once is a boy. Number 4. So wait, you're probably still writing that down. So let me give you all the chance to write that down. Ayana, read what we mean by pragmatic.
Yes, Vicky.
Go ahead.
Dealing with problems in a practical and
Very good. Very good. And Dominic, read the definition of pragmatic. Dominic, read the definition of pragmatic. Where's Dominic? Can't really have from Dominic, so we're gonna go with Jeremiah, read the definition of pragmatic.
Dealing with problems in a practical and realistic.
Very good. And Giovanni, where's Giovanni? Giovanni,
Yes, sir.
read the definition of pragmatic.
Dealing with problems in a practical and realistic way.
Very good. The next word is, I'm gonna put this in black. It's also a good word. F-O-R.
Forbidden.
Nope.
Foreseen.
No.
Forsaken.
Relation.
No.
Forgery.
No.
Forget.
No.
Forgotten.
No. Let me give you another one. M-I.
Formulation.
No.
Formidable.
Formidable. Formidable. Who said that?
Hey, one for the boys.
To
One
the
for
two.
the boys.
Who said that?
Ethan A.
Ethan A. Very good. Ethan A. Formidable. Yes. All right. So the boys on the table. Boys on the table. We might win something. We might win something, guys.
God,
We
my God,
We might win something.
might win something.
Mr. Petit?
by God's grace.
What does it mean to be formidable? If I say you're formidable, what does that mean? Formidable.
Something in the good.
Formidable. Formidable. If I say that Mike Tyson is formidable, John Cena is formidable.
He's like right. He's like a good
A
person.
strong
Y'all know who's Mike Tyson? Y'all know
A
who's
strong opinion.
a strong opponent. He inspires fear.
Fast.
Not fast. They're like imposing, right? So if you fight, let's say you fighting Goliath. You know who's Goliath? Like in the story, Goliath the giant. Yeah. So they're formidable. They inspire fear because of their strength and size and ability. It's kind of like a bully, right? So would you say that you are now? You don't have to be a bully if to be formidable because
Bullies
you
don't get no respect.
you have persons who use their formidability in a good way, like superheroes, right? But people like Thanos, boy, you better be scared of Thanos. The whole Avengers. Shoot. Took all of Marvel to beat him. And they still barely beat him. All right. Okay, so that's why some people, Thanos is their favorite character. But anyway, that's some other story. Okay, so formidable. Next word. Let's go easy. Let me go easy with y'all. This is gonna be easy one. To give y'all a point. Let's put the girls on the scoreboard again. All right, Jay.
Jubilant.
You.
Jubilation.
S.
Justice.
Justification.
Justify. Yeah.
Justify.
That was a boy.
Yeah, Ethan said it. I heard him.
Same difference.
Yeah, I didn't hear anyone say it. I didn't know anyone said it.
Yeah, Ethan said it. I heard him. All right, so justify.
Yeah.
What does justify mean? Justify. You are trying to what?
It's you're trying to make something
Generating
right.
it's bad.
You're trying to make something that looks wrong look right.
Justify basically means you're trying to prove something. So if someone say that, hey, justify yourself, right? Basically saying like prove that you didn't do it, or prove that you are as good as you say you are. So justify is basically a way to prove something. So you're trying to prove it, to prove or show something, right? You justify, right? So if someone say, how do you know that 2 + 2 is 4? Justify that. Just get their fingers. How would you say 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, right? So you justifying it, trying to show them that listen, what I'm saying makes sense. That's what we mean by justify. All right, justify. Okay, so Hadassah, read the 4 words that we have so far, please.
Number 1, sustain, to keep something going or maintain it over time. Number 2, resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulties. 3, pragmatic, dealing with problems in a practical and realistic way. 4, formidable, inspiring fear or respect because of strength, size, or ability. 5, justify, to show or prove that something is right or reasonable.
Very good.
Okay,
so,
guys, all we need is 6. All we need is 3 more. So we can end
yeah,
this
we
streak.
literally need only 3 more, literally.
Who
Girls,
said
what
we're not
y'all
doing the Kahoot?
girls, what y'all saying? Like, what happened? Like, y'all just let the boys run away with this? Come on.
We might just let them get a win.
Yeah.
I
Y'all
don't know
just
why
Feel
you were saying
bad.
this now. Use AI.
all right.
It's pitiful. Very pitiful.
But they winning. They look like this look like it's a boy day.
Pitiful.
This look like the boys not only gonna
They
win
got
this.
the first half, but do they have the second half?
We can see if they win in the first one.
Who knows?
If they win in the first one, who knows, right? All right.
Yeah, but this is just words. Who knows how fast they are?
Okay, Dominique. Dominique say, y'all ain't ready. All right.
Don't twist my word.
All right, so next. But the girls, y'all gotta come on the table, man. Like only the boys getting. Come on, girls. All right, so let's use another one. This is a hard one.
I think we should just make it even.
This is a hard one. I hope y'all get this. A is not an easy word.
Apricot.
E.
Arithmetic.
Addition.
E.
Adjacent.
Adolescent.
No.
Adolescent.
No.
Adolescent.
E.
Adept.
Very good. Very good.
But the boy, that's the thing?
Carlton said it.
Adaption.
Adapt. Yeah.
No, citation. I didn't say adapt.
I didn't even know that's
So who said adapt? Or Ethan said adapt. Adapt. Yeah. Shoots.
If we don't know, let's give it to the girls since we can
1,
be able to
2,
be
3,
even.
4. Wow. The boys only need 1 more to win. Wow.
No, we need 2 more to secure the win.
They could just slide that last one right here.
We're
giving them a free
no. Y'all ain't giving them nothing. Y'all getting destroyed. That's what's happening here. No, that's what's happening here.
I haven't heard a
about
single
your
girl
behavior since y'all can't be happy for no one dread.
Exactly.
You mean?
Exactly. What does adapt mean? What does adapt
The
mean?
one time we started to win.
What does adapt mean?
To adopt something?
No, not adopt. It's not adopt.
To not adopt something.
It's not adopt. It's adapt. What does that mean?
Being a quick learner or
Being a
good
quick
at
learner.
getting it.
Yes.
Something like that.
Very skilled.
Very skilled. Very skilled.
Highly skilled.
Highly skilled. Very good. That's what I mean by adapt. Very skilled or proficient in what you do. All right. Very skilled or proficient. Girls, she was I just put the next thing for the boys again because in an afternoon now. Come on, girls. All right, so next word. I like this word. It's a good word.
Really?
It's a good word. So y'all should get this. We probably had this word before. S-C. No.
Sacred.
Scoliosis.
Sit. No. No.
Skeptronic.
Scenery.
No.
Curry.
No.
Scales?
No.
Schedule.
Screen.
No.
Scrutiny.
Close.
Scrutinize?
Scrutinize. Yeah, scrutinize. Scrutinize.
Scrutiny.
Scrutinize. You already got it. Boy. Ugh.
Remember, one more to secure the win.
I don't know if they could, I don't know if there's any more hope for them.
Hey,
I don't know.
chill.
We got
Listen,
spirit.
we need them.
I mean, how many words? We have what? We have, they could even it. They could even it. If they get these last three, wait, no, they can't. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they could even it because we have 10 words. So yeah, they could even it.
Should we just let them get a tie?
You think so? Yeah, just let them get a tie. I think we should do that. I think we should do that. I think
Why not? So
I
they
think we
don't
should.
even.
I think we should. We ain't like them. We should be graceful, right? We should be graceful. What do you think, Ethan?
Graceful.
Ethan, what
No,
you
we
think?
shouldn't be. No.
Ethan.
Get, let's be petty.
Sure.
Ethan, please.
Shut us up.
Come
You
on,
and me or the other Ethan?
we're gentlemen. We're gentlemen. What you think? Gentlemen. We can't do it like that. We can't do them
But
like
if
how
you
they
want
do
me petty
us.
too, not a time. Yes, we should.
No. All right. So, what scrutinize mean? What does scrutinize mean? All right. I think the boys should at least have one win. We could give them a break next time. We need to have at least one win on the table. All right. So, your boys could seal the deal, while the girls could even it. So everyone, it's fair game. So scrutinize means to what? When I say scrutinize, what does that mean? To what?
Like examine.
To examine.
Examine.
To examine something. Scrutinize. Give me something that you would examine or scrutinize carefully, or look at carefully if you were looking at it.
Documents.
You'd scrutinize documents. What else would you scrutinize?
An examiner with an exam paper.
Yeah.
A menu.
A menu. Sorry. Who said menu? Who said menu?
Amari.
Very good, Amari.
True,
that's a very good suggestion. Yes, you would scrutinize a menu, right? If you are investigating, if you
sign a contract.
If you sign the contract, you scrutinize that, right? How about like when you investigate, what fruit you're gonna select, or what if you're in the store, you're trying to look at the fruits, trying to examine it,
like
make sure.
When I have the nails in it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, like when you're looking at produce, trying to make sure you ain't get the one that rotten. You know, some people even open up the bag and taste the grape. Anyone else do that?
I did that once, and I didn't do it again because I was scared.
They literally open up the bag and taste the grape. How does that work? They just literally open it up and just taste the people grape, and then leave it open. Oh, this sour. I don't want that. All right, so scrutinize. Amari, give us the list of words, please.
Number 1, sustain. To keep something going or maintain it over time. Number 2, resilient. Able to recover quickly from difficulties. Number 3, pragmatic. Dealing with problems in a practical and realistic way. Number 4, formidable. Inspiring fear or respect because of strength, size, or ability. Number 5, justify, to show or prove that something is right or reasonable. Number 6, adept, very skillful or proficient at something. Number 7, scrutinize, to examine something very carefully.
Very good. Very good. Number 8. Number 8. We have to hurry. This one is a good word. I want to give you all the hard words because I don't want you all inside the quiz and y'all don't know what some of these words mean. All right, so
Onomatopoeia.
No.
Optimization.
No.
Organization.
No. OB.
Obesity.
Obscurity.
Obedient.
Obtuse. Substantial.
Objective.
Obscure. I mean,
Obsolete.
Who said that?
Observation.
Obsolete.
Yes.
Obsolete.
Yeah. Obsolete.
Observation.
Yeah, obsolete.
Oh, I said obsolete.
That was, I think, Travis.
I don't know if it's just me. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, obsolete. What does obsolete mean?
We secured it.
Yeah, the boys secured the win. What does obsolete mean?
Thank you.
What does obsolete mean?
Like weird, out of place?
No. Obsolete. If something is obsolete, what does that mean?
Discontinued, or it was replaced with something better.
Yes. Obsolete means that something is discontinued. We don't use it no more. No longer use, outdated. So what are some things that are obsolete right now? We don't really use them no more.
You talking like about our pennies?
Yeah, the pennies.
Shows.
The pennies is obsolete.
Humans.
Yes.
6, 7, 6, 7.
Yeah, that about to be obsolete. Like
6, 7 is not obsolete, but a lot of people want
Humans are obsolete.
yeah, some people want it to be obsolete. How about you also have them big back TVs? And all of stuff like flat screen TV.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Please don't tell me all of like big back TV.
I had one last year, but we got a new TV.
Yeah. Big back TVs are obsolete, right? You're all quiet. That means that you also my bad.
They still is work though.
I'm sorry. Maybe one person still using the big back TVs. But big back TVs are, I mean, I can't remember going to someone else and say still have the big back TV.
Forget the big back TV. What about the big back computer?
Yeah, that's true. No. The big back computer, they ain't obsolete yet. You crazy? What would the bombers be without them? You go in them government office, they still have the big back. So yeah, I would say, what is obsolete? We still use newspaper. We still use
what about those things when they help you do the cable, like in the early 2000s?
Oh, like the satellite. Yeah, we don't want to use the satellite and cable and like that's true. No one uses satellite, right? Y'all don't use satellite. Y'all don't use, well, we still have cable lookup, but y'all don't use satellite. Satellite was a thing back in the day. But now everybody have Netflix.
I don't think any of us watch cable these days. I don't watch cable.
Man, I used to watch it.
I don't watch cable no more.
Yeah.
I rather watch Netflix.
So happy.
So what y'all is watch if y'all don't watch cable? What y'all is use?
Netflix,
YouTube,
yeah, makes sense. That's right.
YouTube. If I had a Disney Plus,
HBO Max and stuff like that, right?
So everything.
I don't even have none of that. I use only YouTube.
YouTube, right? YouTube is pretty good. YouTube is a pretty good source. If you only have YouTube, trust me, you're still straight. Okay, next word. Boys, please do not answer. We're being graceful to them.
Yeah, let's be grateful.
All right, so yeah, the winner's ready. So we don't have to beat them down. All right, so what's the next word, girls? Start with I.
Inspection.
Interrogate.
Indolent.
immense,
institution,
imposterous,
implement,
Kanan is only the girls.
imposter,
implement,
Only the girls.
Impossible.
E.
Imported.
See?
Impotent.
Infatuate.
Impact.
Impetuous.
Impact.
Impetuous.
Wait, let's get this sorted out. Canaan. Only the girls are
Yes, sir.
answering.
Kanan, what are you
Impeccable.
doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize.
Only the girls.
Show some mercy.
Only the girls. It's only the girls. Did we ready win?
Mercy.
You
I
ready
was
win?
interrupted. Sorry.
Yeah. All right. What's the word?
Impeccable.
Impeccable. Thank you. What does impeccable mean? What does impeccable mean?
To be clean and neat.
Very good. To be clean and neat. How many persons here are impeccable? When you go to school, when you go to church.
Me.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. I would like to see y'all in person. I'm sure y'all, I have really handsome and pretty persons in my class. And I believe that. Okay, so the last word is going to be I like I said, I want to get over all of the hard words. So E, L,
Elite.
O,
Elonulus.
Elmo. Oh.
Oh, say elbow.
Eloquent.
Eloquent. Very good. Eloquent. Eloquent. The girls, y'all get really nice words. Y'all get impeccable, eloquent. Yeah, a lot of nice. What does eloquent means? What does eloquent?
Nice.
No, not nice.
Hold on, let me look at my dictionary.
Eloquent. Eloquent.
So present yourself in an elegant way. Or majestic way.
No. It's close though, but no. Eloquent. Speaking. Speaking in a what?
Like fancy way or
yes.
proper way.
Yes. So eloquent means when you speak what? Fluently. Right? Yeah.
In a proper way.
You speak in a proper way. You speak in a way that is persuasive, right? So it deals with speaking and writing as well. All right. So eloquent. All right. Those are the words that we have. Cool. So good. The quiz only has 19 questions. So I think that's good enough. I ain't gonna add no more because
no, sir.
All right. So let's go ahead and do it. So I want y'all to
The Kahoot or the quiz?
The Kahoot. Yeah, I must say quiz. All right, so Samaya, where's Samaya?
Yeah.
Okay. Read the 10 words that we have.
And the definitions?
Yes, and the definitions.
Okay. Sustain, to keep something going or maintaining it over time. 2, resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulties. 3, pragmatic.
Yeah,
Dealing with problems in a practical and realistic way. Formidable. That's it?
Formidable.
Inspiring, fair, or respect because of strength, size, or ability. Justify, to show or prove that something is right or reasonable. Adept, very skilled or proficient at something. Scrutinize, to examine something very carefully. Obsolete, no longer used, outdated. Impeccable, perfect, without mistake or flaw. Eloquent, fluent, persuasive, and powerful in speaking or writing.
Very good. So I want someone to say these words, just the words as fast as you can.
Sustain, resilient, pragmatic, formidable, justify, adept, scrutinize, obsolete, impeccable, and eloquent.
Very good. Anyone else want to try? All right, go ahead, Tyler.
I'm going next.
Go ahead, Tyler.
Sustain, resilient, pragmatic, formidable, justify, adept, scrutinize, obsolete, impeccable, eloquent.
Very good. Adasa?
Sustain, resilient, pragmatic, formidable, justify, adapt, scrutinize, absolute, impeccable, eloquent.
Very good. Anyone else want to go?
Mr. Big, let me try.
Go ahead, Andre.
All right. Substance, resilient, pragmatic, formidable, justify, adept, scrutinize, obsolete, impeccable, eloquent.
You sound like you rapping just now. Look at you. Look at you. Very good. Anyone else? One more. One more. No one else? Oh, you're probably shy. Okay, for those who did, y'all did pretty well. All right, so take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Y'all are ready. We're gonna crown our class president in short order. Let me go ahead and send the link inside the chat. We're gonna
Do we have
host.
to do the code?
Yes, you have to. That's a must. So let's host live. All right.
Mr. T,
Go ahead, Tyler.
send it to my phone, please.
Yes, I can. I can do that. I can do that. Tyler, you look like you ready, man. You look like you ready.
I think so. I hope.
Tyler, man, come on, man. Bring that same energy from last week. Don't let Daphne come.
I can't get too prideful.
Yo, just
Don't let Daphne. Don't let her scare you like that, man. Keep the same energy.
You mean scared?
Keep the same energy.
I'm scared of you,
Off right now. I don't care.
There we go. There we go. There we go. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. All right. So let me go ahead and share my screen with y'all. This could be good. All right. So, we can see you gonna get it. This is gonna be nice. So, so the link is inside the chat. You could use the link or you can use the QR code and you could sign it. Okay. Very good, Shannon. Put your name, put a name that I can recognize. You don't have to be exactly your name, but put a name that I can recognize. So we have
like Alan's name.
Who else? Tyler said she want me to send out that quiz. Wonderful. Okay, so Tyler. Okay, I sent it to you, Tyler.
Thank you.
No problem. Let me go back to the school thing. Okay, good. Cool. We have Jerry, we have Malia, we have Andre, Malik, Davanik, Gio, Kamara. Very good. Ethan A, Kanan, Hope. Very good. Very good, guys. Tyler. The rest of us, please join. Still waiting on the rest on y'all to join. Very good, Cordell. Who is CIA? Who is CIA? You gotta put a name that I could at least recognize. I don't know who's CIA. So when you win, I don't know who that
The
is. The
same people that call you AI.
The same people who call me AI? That's you. That's not you, Cleveland. All right, so
No, I'm on the bottom.
at the bottom, okay. The rest of us, let's go. I see you, Cleveland. The rest of you still have opportunity to join. Very good, Samaya. Still waiting on the rest of us. Still waiting on the rest of us. Who has not joined? Okay. Okay, good. I'm gonna give you all 2 more minutes to join. 2 more minutes to join. And so we could start. 2 more minutes to join. So we could get this thing started. 2 more minutes. All right. Okay, Samaya. Okay, we're gonna start right. Wait, some people left. I don't want to leave them out. So I'm gonna give them 30 more seconds to rejoin. $30 more seconds, and then we have to start. Okay. So if you're not on, then you just have to watch, right? Okay. 15 more seconds. And 5 more seconds. Very good, Andre. Okay, good. So we have to start. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, let's go. Question number 1 says, which word means examine closely? Skim, scrutinize, ignore, or glance? Which word means examine closely? Skim, scrutinize, ignore, or glance? Which word means examine closely? Skim, scrutinize, ignore, or glance? Which word means examine closely? All right, scrutinize. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right, it's juicy already. All right, good.
Giggity.
To blank every detail. Complete. To blank every detail. Scrutinize, dismiss, neglect, or overlook. To blank every detail. Scrutinize, dismiss, neglect, or overlook. Which word are we going to use for this one? Scrutinize. Very good. Oh, wow. Everything just changed. Everything just changed. Oh, gosh. This feel like the same thing over and over again. All right, next. Which is...
Mr. Petit, I can't see the word. Check it on. You see the logo?
Yeah, that's all we have. Only the logo. Which is a close inspection? Apathy, daydream, scrutinize, or guesswork? Which is a close inspection? Apathy, daydream, scrutinize, or guesswork?
Mr. Petit, that says scrutiny.
Scrutiny, sorry. Thank you. Or guesswork. Yes, scrutiny.
Now, what was scrutiny the correct word for 3 times?
Oh, gosh. All right. Scrutiny means a casual look. Wait, 1 second. I think we have to start over.
We have to what?
I think we have to start
Huh?
over.
What?
Because I think this only asking y'all
Yes.
about, I think y'all only asking you about scrutinize, and there's some, I don't.
That's why I get it wrong.
Because
Yeah.
earlier said scrutiny and
Please,
something
no,
else.
Yeah.
no, I think
Very
a perfect
good.
Yeah.
like this so all of us can be winners.
Yeah, it's asking the same thing. Like,
Come on, man.
yeah, it's asking the same question.
Just got it.
Yeah, you have to rejoin.
You can't be serious.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm
It
sorry.
was so good for
Well, at least we got a shriek of
I'm sorry.
3,491.
Sorry. That's like the practice run. It's like the practice run.
I just got it.
Sorry.
And I was beating all y'all.
Yes, she was.
Shut up,
Yes, she was. She was. I got it. She was. All right, my bad. Let me go ahead and I have to resend it because that's not what I want.
Can you send it to my phone again, please? when
Yes,
you do?
yes, I can send it. Okay, so exit.
I think this has to be the first time I've actually got 4 things right in a row.
Yes, it was
And
the
it was
same.
a mistake.
It was the same. It was the same question. I don't want that.
Whoa, let that one slide at least.
All right, so okay, so that wouldn't be good. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna do it again. Okay, one moment. Because I want all the other words to be like there too. I don't just want scrutiny. I don't want that.
But scrutiny. It's all good.
Like almost every question was scrutiny. That don't make no sense. All right, so cool. So we only have like 15 more minutes, so I'm not gonna make this long. We still only got like 19 questions.
Hey, but at least I actually get 18th place because the last time I was in 24th.
Wow.
I did worse because I got it 4 times wrong.
Oh gosh.
Bro, it's literally based off of the same question. How is that even mathematically possible?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
they just keep on asking the same thing, but scrutiny. All right, so good. All right.
Mr. Pradeep, we may not have enough time.
You have enough time. I ain't gonna give you all like all the questions.
5.
I'm just gonna give you all a short one. Okay, good.
But at least happy that I got a little green check mark though.
Yeah, I mean, but it can't just be scrutiny. So, okay, this one should be much better. All right, so I'm gonna send it to y'all on. Okay, good. Oh, the same, good. Give me one moment. I thought that was good. She was like, just keep that. Okay, good. Give me one moment, because what's happening is that it's not allowing me to copy the link. I don't know why, so let me go ahead and try to figure out how to get the link to be copied. And then I can send it to y'all. Okay, so might be my internet. 1 second, class. Okay, good. All right, this is more like it. Thank God. Okay, we only have a few moments left, so I have to just short. So some of these questions I just remove. Okay. So for those who didn't start off pretty well, at least you'll have a second chance to like start again. And it's going to be based off of the words that we have done. All right, so that's the good part. All right, so stop sharing and share again. All right, restart.
Mr. Petit Elementary.
Yeah, that's my old class. I just picked a class. All right, so please quickly join so we can quickly get this over with. So person who is not able to join, you have to join now. Okay, good.
It's 25, right?
It's 19.
Mm.
Not 25. We only have 10 minutes. Oh, you can't do 25 questions. All right, quickly join. Let's go.
To my phone, please.
How many questions did you just say?
Just 19. Only 19 questions. 19 questions. So if you fall,
It is not that bad.
if you fall, that's it. But 19 is good. I think 19 is a good number. I was hoping for 20 to 25, but 19 is good, especially given the time. All right. The rest of us, please quickly join so that we can get this over with. All right, so the persons who are very good, Cleveland, very good, Tyler. Okay. Diana. Okay, Gio. Brian. Okay, good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Anyone who want to join and is not able to join yet? Okay, good. We can start now. Am I missing anyone? If you want to join and you have not joined yet, please let me know before I start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. So we have a fresh start. Okay, good. It should be easy. All right, so which best defines sustain? Which best defines sustain? Which best defines sustain? Which best defines sustain? Reduce in size and abruptly keep going, or very good, keep going.
Jesus!
How does one get
All
more
right, along.
money?
Yeah. Which word means quickly bouncing back? Resilient, impeccable, obsolete, or formidable? Which word means quickly bouncing back? Resilient, impeccable, obsolete, or formidable? Which word means quickly bouncing back? Resilient, impeccable, obsolete, or formidable? Very good, resilient. Very good, guys. Next. Pragmatic people usually are practical, dogmatic, poetic, or impulsive. Pragmatic people usually are practical, dogmatic, poetic, or impulsive. Pragmatic people usually are practical, dogmatic, poetic, or impulsive. Pragmatic people, very good, practical. They're usually practical. Next. Formidable opponents inspire confusion, complacency, respect, or indifference. Formidable opponents inspire confusion, complacency, respect, or indifference. Formidable, remember, formidable means what? Do they inspire confusion, complacency? Very good. They inspire respect. Very good. Next, we have to justify is to delay action, hide flaws, guess widely, prove right. To justify is to delay action, hide flaws, guess wisely, or prove right. What do we mean by to justify? To justify, very good, prove right. Next, an adept coder coder is easily bored, barely trained, very skilled, or often late. An adept coder is easily bored, barely trained, very skilled, or often late. Adept. An adept trainer is easily bored, barely trained, very skilled, or often late. Very good, very skilled.
This is rigged against me right now.
It's not rigged, you're just slow.
Next, let's go, let's keep it moving. Scrutinize the data means, praise loudly, ignore completely, skim quickly, or examine closely. Scrutinize the data means praise loudly, ignore completely, skim quickly, or examine closely. Scrutinize the data means praise loudly, ignore completely, skim quickly, or examine. Very good. Examine closely. Next. Obsolete tech. Obsolete tech is outdated, cutting edge, trending, or prototype. Obsolete tech is outdated, cutting edge, trending, or prototype. Obsolete tech is outdated, cutting edge, trending, or prototype. Obsolete tech is outdated, cutting edge, trending. Very good, outdated. Good. Impeccable manners are improvised, puzzling, flawless, or average. Impeccable manners are improvised, puzzling, flawless, or average. Impeccable manners are improvised. Very good, they're flawless. Next. Eloquent speeches sound brief, monotone, fluent, or disjointed. Eloquent speeches sound brief, monotone, fluent, or disjointed. Eloquent speeches sound brief, monotone, fluent, or disjointed. Eloquent, very good, they sound fluent. Next. Resilient teams handle setbacks how? Resilient teams handle setbacks how? They recover fast, they avoid effort, they delay decisions, or they blame others. Resilient teams handle setbacks how? They recover fast, avoid effort, delay action, delay decisions, or blame others. Resilient. Very good, they recover
Maybe bet
fast.
on being president again?
Next. Sustain a habit means replace it, sell it, maintain it, forget it. Sustain a habit means replace it, sell it, maintain it, or forget it. Sustain a habit means replace it, sell it, very good, maintain it. Next, which word fits perfect writing? Which word fits perfect writing? Impeccable, adept, obsolete, or pragmatic. Which word fits perfect writing? Impeccable, adept, obsolete, or pragmatic. Which word fits perfect writing? Impeccable, adept, obsolete, or pragmatic. Very good, impeccable.
I'm gonna be there in a second.
Why justify a decision? Why justify a decision? Delay outcomes, please everyone, show it's right, or hide motives. Why justify a decision? Delay outcomes, please everyone, show it's right, or hide motives. Why justify a decision? Delay outcomes, please everyone, show it's right, or hide motives. Very good, show it's right. Next. Who is adept in chess? Who is adept in chess? A new learner, a skilled player, a rule breaker, or a casual fan? Who is adept in chess? A new learner, a skilled player, a rule breaker, or a casual fan? Who is adept in chess? A new learner, a skilled player, a rule breaker, or a casual fan? Who is adept in chess? Very good, a skilled player. Very good. Which team is obsolete today? Sorry, which item is obsolete today? USB stick, floppy disk, cloud drive, smartphone. Which item is obsolete today? USB stick, floppy disk, cloud drive, or smartphone. Which item is obsolete today? USB stick, floppy disk, cloud drive. Yes, floppy disk. Next. Scrutinize, true or false? Scrutinize means skim fast. True or false? Scrutinize means skim fast. True or false? Scrutinize means to skim fast. True or false? Scrutinize means to skim fast. True or false? Scrutinize means to skim fast. True or false? Very good. False.
Finally.
Double points, double points. Formidable storm or pair. Very powerful, predictable, gentle breezes, barely felt. Formidable storms appear very powerful, predictable, gentle breezes, or barely felt. Formidable storm appears very powerful, predictable, gentle breezes, or barely felt. Very good, very powerful. Last but not least, double points. Eloquent writing is usually sparse, confusing, technical, or persuasive. Eloquent writing is usually sparse, confusing, technical, or persuasive. Eloquent writing is usually sparse, confusing, technical, or persuasive. Yes, persuasive.
I'm gonna say this before we go. If we're ever having another Kahoot and there's gonna be a president,
Malaya?
Oh,
Malaya? Dominic? Oh, Dominic on the stage.
Always bet on Tyler.
Oh, Dominic. Hey, Yana. Wow.
Oh,
That's a twist.
Wow. What a
It must
twist.
Then I go
What a
15.
I had my money on Kane, and I'm
What
gonna
a
be so
plot
serious. I
twist.
had my money on Kane.
I
What a
come for
plot.
place.
I
Oh my
was so
goodness.
What a
close.
plot
I already
twist.
all the way disappointed.
What a plot twist. What a plot
Oh.
twist.
GG's, GG's.
Where's Ayana? Where's Ayana? Where's Ayana?
Right
Good,
here.
good game. Good
Right
game.
here.
I did not.
Congratulations, Ayana, to our new class president. Very
Thank
good.
you.
Dominic, yet again, vice president. And
This is my
Malaya,
second time being vice president, man.
and Malaya, what do you call her? That's she's like
It's Malia.
Secretary.
secretary, or what do you call them? There's another
Tre-
word. I can't
Treasurer?
remember.
It was like
Treasurer.
Duke or Duchess.
Yeah, Duchess. No, we call her. Let's call her the secretary. All right. So very good, guys. Y'all did pretty well on this.
Hold on, so floor pace don't get nothing.
Oh, y'all get like Duchess and Dukes. Yeah. So very good, guys. Y'all did pretty well. Very proud of y'all. And we did have a new class president. So great.
I guess.
Great. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank y'all for staying back because we are past time. Good job, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Tyler, you was this close.
Good night.
Tyler was this
Right.
close.
It was the
Tyler-
seventh place thing. If I got it wrong, it sent me down to seventh. That was so mad.
Tyler was
So
so Tyler was so close. Tyler was so close. Oh my goodness. That last question.
I was so
Wow.
close. I was supposed to be president, and I would have had bragging rights.
My money was on you.
About to.
Oh wow.
About to.
Wow.
About to.
That was yeah, you can leave. Y'all do well, man.
Good
All
night.
the best. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Very good, guys. Very good.